never the two of us like that.
Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a organizing my closet kind of closet tour video, and in my last video I said that I didn't want to do a closet tour because my closet was so dirty, but I thought of an idea. What if I clean it in a video and that motivate me to like organize everything and like donate clothes that I don't want, and also show you guys the video that you guys wanted to see. So that's what I'm doing. My hair's a mess. I slept in curls, probably not a good idea. Don't look at my hair, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It is 10:50-ish, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna show you guys what my closet looks like right now. Pretty bad, but gotta show you guys it before. Okay, so this is what my closet looks like actually. I don't know why that's not all the way closed, but it's from IKEA if you guys are wondering. But it looks decent now, and then you open it and it's really bad. Not good at all. It's like that. It's so bad. It's embarrassing. And then I also have my hanging clothes right here. And then right here I also have some folded clothes. So I'm not gonna do that in the video right now because this is a closet tour, not a dresser tour. So yeah. So I'm just gonna start off with the top right here. I'm gonna take everything out and then organize it from what I want and what I don't want, and then I'll donate the things that I don't want, obviously, and just work my way down. Really fun. Okay, so I don't think my camera recorded that because it died, but I just organized most of my shirts. I have more shirts in those three drawers, but these are the only ones in my closet. So I organized it from long sleeve, like sweater type things, and these are long sleeves, these are bodysuits, these are tank tops, and these are t-shirts. And then those are the things that I don't want anymore. That took a while to fold, but I kind of discovered a ton of clothes I didn't know I had, so that's good. I could think of new outfits because I literally wear the same thing every day. So I'm gonna go put them back in here and then move on to the bottoms and then pajamas, and then I don't know what that is, but
we've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will cut through my skin. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone than have you. Every time I speak I feel myself fall.
Alright, so it's been roughly an hour and I'm all done. I have 4 bags full of clothes that I don't want anymore, and I have an organized closet, which is very fun. And there's Benny, and a ton of hangers, so I guess I gotta do something with these. I'm just probably gonna put them in Ben. I'll put them somewhere else. But now on to the closet tour. Looking back, you're trying to be a model. Are you trying to be a model? Okay, so opening this up, it looks better. Doesn't look that great, but definitely looks better. So on the top there are all my jeans. In the back, in that corner, I don't know if you guys can see it, that's where all like my business pants and stuff are because I'm in a business class. That's where business attire, really fun. I have my skinny jeans here. I coordinated them to be darkest to lightest, and then over here I have my mom jeans, darkest lightest ones. Well, not really, it's a little out of order, but it's fine. Over here I have all my tops. It's a pretty cluttered because I have a lot of tops, but whatever. Right here I have all of my long sleeves. I have all my t-shirts. In the back right here I have my bodysuits. Right here I have long sleeves that are kind of like sweaters, and then over here I have my tank tops, and then right here I have leggings, shorts, and some more shorts, and then some skirts. And then down here I have all my pajamas. I have my pajama bottoms, pajama shorts, pajama t-shirts, and then the long sleeves are back there. And then down here I put shoes that I wear a lot but are like kind of like more fancy, I guess, because my other shoes right here that are like Converse and Vans are just right there. I don't know, makes more sense to me. So I have crazy here. I have everything that's hanging. I didn't really organize this that much. I kind of just decluttered it because I will mess it up anyway, so it's not, there's no point in like, you know, trying to organize everything. But all my dresses are right here, and I have a random like off the shoulder t-shirt, and I have cardigans, flannels, hoodies, sweaters, random things in there. But yes, this is my closet. I don't want to do this right now. It's too much for me. It's pretty bad. I'll show you guys what it looks like though. So I have a ton of shirts and tank tops in here. And then I have some more shirts and tank tops. And then I have dance clothes, rip. And then I have underwear, bras, everything like that. I'm not gonna touch that right now, but yes, this is my closet. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. We're really close to 100,000. It's gonna be amazing when I hit it, and I want to hit it by my birthday, which is August 9th, so hopefully we can do that. And see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I could be your finishing touch, so wherever you go with you, babe, go with you, baby. Wherever you go with you, babe, go with you, babe.